You almost crapped your pants thinking it was the motor. Hey Rex,
Yes, Ami.
you remember that time when my sunroof was struggling to close halfway, and you almost crapped your pants thinking it was the motor and you'd have to drop the headliner?
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Why don't we make a tech tip video about it?
That's a good idea. Let's do it.
Hell yeah!
Hell yeah!
Hey guys, Army here. Before we begin, this tech tip won't work for every sunroof problem. First, the sunroof motor needs to sound normal. No grinding, crunching, or other unusual noises. Second, the roof should still be trying to close but moving very slowly. Third, it gets about halfway, then backs off again. And finally, this fault needs to occur when the roof is closing from the fully open position. If your sunroof is stuck in tilt mode, this tech tip won't apply in your case. Now over to Rex.
Thanks, Ami. With the sunroof, we first need to identify some key areas. First, we have front tracks, the tilt mode tracks, followed by the rear roof tracks. They are not easy to see, and if the sunroof is fully open, you can only see the end sections and the rear roof sliders. We're going to concentrate on rear roof tracks and sliders. This is a rough length of the rear tracks. You can just barely see it from the top as it's almost covered by the sunroof seal when the roof is fully open. The main reason the sunroof struggles to close is dry rear tracks. However, the rear tracks aren't easy to reach. To lubricate them properly, you'll need a can of spray grease with a nozzle straw, which you can pick up from your local hardware stores. Since the sunroof struggles and retracts halfway, so if you just lubricate the ends of the tracks, the rear sliders will not reach the lubricated spots. Instead, you need to insert the nozzle straw into the roof seal and spray the grease on both front sides of the rear sliders. Once you have done that and closed the sunroof, the sliders will pick up the grease spots and lubricate the tracks by itself. And yes, if you do it properly, the roof will now close fully.
Well, hopefully this will get your sunroof to close all the way. And remember to also spray grease the front tracks. But for the tilt guide tracks, we suggest that you apply the grease with your fingers to avoid accidentally spraying into the interior and make a mess. That's it from us for this short tech tip. Hope you guys find it helpful and see you all on the next one.